Hey, bull runners, we've got some jaw-dropping news that could shift the tides of the crypto market. First up, XRP took a nosedive, dropping 6% in a heartbeat. But here's the twist. There is a silver lining for all the XRP bulls out there. After this plunge, we're seeing signs of a bullish divergence, hinting at a potential turnaround. So if you've been holding your breath, now might be time to exhale because recovery could be just around the corner. And that's not all. In a heartwarming twist, Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik Buterin has made headlines for not a blockchain issue, but a very special adoption. Vitalik Buterin has adopted Mudang, a beloved pygmy hippopotamus from Thailand's Konakuo Open Zoo, with a donation of 88 ETH, which translates to $292,000. This isn't just a feel-good story. It's also had a direct impact on the crypto world. The Mudang meme coin has seen a surge since the announcement. Buterin's donation not only supports wildlife conservation, but also shines light on how crypto can be used for philanthropy. Now, these developments are happening fast, and you don't want to miss out on any of the action. The crypto markets wait for no one. And whether you're an XRP fanatic or looking for the next meme coin to rocket, keeping informed is key. And stick with us till the end of this video and you'll get an exclusive sneak peek at our new crypto community platform, Altcoin Pro. This is your chance to get ahead of the curve, connect with fellow crypto enthusiasts, and gain access to insights that could change your investment strategy. So if you're feeling bullish and blessed about this current bull run, let me know by commenting 777 down below. And if you're going to be the first millionaire in your family tree, confirm that by smashing subscribe. So yeah, kicking it off, Vitalik Buterin adopts Mudang with 88 ETH for the zoo donation. Buterin has made frequent crypto donations to charitable organizations, including meme coins that have been sent to his address. Mudang is a pygmy hippopotamus that became a viral internet sensation and has now been adopted by Vitalik Buterin, one of the most famous cryptocurrency founders. Buterin is the co-founder of Ethereum, the world's second largest blockchain network, became the adoptive father of Mudang. This is absolutely blowing my mind. Thailand's Konakuo Open Zoo announced in a December 26 X post. They said, "Thank you, Vitalik Buterin, for joining the wildlife sponsorship program and adopting Mudang with a generous gift of 10 million THB for her family." And here's the adoption certificate, as we can see. Family. So over here, you got the capybara exhibit, the holding area 1, holding area 2, outdoor exhibit, and outdoor exhibit 2. And the area is going to have a total area of 1,600 square meters for Mudang to hang out in. We look forward to working with you over the next 2 years, the announcement added. Mudang rose to viral popularity on September of 2024 because of her expressive personality and charming social media videos shared by the Thailand-based zoo. In response to the announcement, Buterin said he may donate even more than the current 88 ETH or $292,000 to the zoo, he wrote in his December 26 X post. "I'm happy to be the adoptive father of Mudang as she grows up over the next 2 years and support her with my 10 million THB donation, maybe more, as I set aside 88 ETH for Mudang and friends." And here we have Vitalik Buterin at a hippo entrance exhibit. In October, Buterin donated over $180,000 in ETH sent to his address as Mudang meme coins to the biotech charity Conroe. Taking a look at our daily chart here for Mudang, let's go ahead and look at some support and resistance areas here. So after the initial launch, it had a pretty gnarly pullback down to its low here at 6 cents. Then it surged up before having another pullback down to the 13-cent level before shooting up and creating its new all-time high, which now stands at 70 cents. Now, one of the support levels is going to come after this move right here to the upside before the drop. On the daily, we'll go ahead and take the box of the candle before the drop there. And as you can see, we've dipped right into that scenario. Now, if this level does not hold here, the top of the box being 25 cents, we could see a drop down to the bottom of this box, about 21 cents. If we lose that, there is even a scenario of it falling all the way back into the area down here of a 8 or 6 cents range. As we can see, this most recent drop down into this 25-cent range, there was a resistance area up here for that drop where it was dropping, turned green, and then it dropped again. So this will be our area of resistance to the upside. So we got a support here at 25 cents. If we can get back above this 10 exponential moving average on traditional candles, you can see price ran up to it, rejected, ran up yesterday, rejected today, also fighting to get back above there. We want to see this on the daily chart push back above this 10 exponential moving average and then make its way back up into these zones up here at the 38-cent level. We can also see this pretty gnarly drop from the all-time high, getting itself down here to 37 cents from 70 cents, made the push up, and then it came down before the second attempt to make a new all-time high. Did not quite get there, but this box right here will also be an area of interest. So let's go ahead and use that one since it's more historical there, and that will cover more ground for us. And we can see here, that would be a 35-cent zone. So right now we got a 25-cent support level coming in. We don't want to lose that area. If it does lose that, then we have a secondary support at 21 cents. We can hopefully see a bounce here, getting us up to 35 cents, then back above 40 cents, recovering as a support level here. So right now we can see price potentially coming back here, then making its move back in here, getting above here, and then making the surge to the upside. And back on November 14th, this was one of the coins that our analysts said to keep on your radar. Mudang, when it was currently sitting at 455 million. It's a meme coin mania. Mudang is a viral baby hippo who's captured millions of fans on YouTube and TikTok. Her global fame is so massive that Thailand even promoted her in New York Times Square. Recognizing her positive impact on tourism and their GDP, unlike most animal meme coins, Mudang has one of the highest levels of attention and engagement worldwide. It's yet to list on Binance or Coinbase, so there could be room for further growth to the upside. And that was November 14th. And then we had an update, as we can see down here at the bottom. Curious J continued on this meme coin here. Mudang got listed on Coinbase. Timing could have been much better, but let's see what happens. What is interesting, though, the day that he talked about it in our group. Now, of course, we don't ever offer financial advice. Do not buy or sell anything that we talk about on this channel. It is purely for entertainment education only. But when he did his research, he saw something coming in the markets, and that was right here on November 14th when it was sitting at 35 cents. It then ran up to 70 cents, creating an all-time high. Now, if you know anything about meme coins, typically they do not last long. I've been doing some meme coin trading, and I mean, in reality, I've been watching some of these guys on YouTube as well that do live trading. They're in these coins for like 30 minutes max. It is absolutely mind-blowing. But we can see here, this had a run up of 113% within the day of us talking about it in Altcoin Pro. And what's really cool is if you have a question about a coin, as you can see right here at the top, I just searched Mudang and it pulled up all the Mudang posts that we have in our system, but it also landed in our altcoin picks section here at Altcoin Pro University. You can go to www.bullrunners.com, bullrunners.com, and sign up today. So we'll continue to follow Mudang, see if it does bounce off of this support here at 25 cents, make its way back up, getting us support at the 40-cent level before making its way back to new all-time high. As we saw, we got some really huge news coming out for Mudang. It's even on the TradingView charts down here at the bottom. Vitalik Buterin donated $290,000 to the zoo, sparking a surge in the Mudang token. This is going to bring a lot of mind share to it. Obviously, it's bad timing regardless because the markets are in a bit of a slump. But when things start rolling again, Mudang is a coin to keep your eye on for sure. All right, now let's take a look at XRP. We're going to jump into some XRP news here today. As we can see right now, yesterday was a pretty significant down day. It did bounce off of our 30 exponential moving average here. We are currently sitting right at our support level, which was our previous high, our previous most recent high, that $1.97 level. XRP has come back to retest that once, twice, and even 3 times. We're now waiting for that move to the upside. But in the news, there's silver lining for XRP following this 6% plunge. The price of XRP Ripple-affiliated cryptocurrency is down more than 6% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinGecko. However, according to 100eyes crypto scanner, XRP has formed a bullish divergence on the hourly chart. This indicates that XRP bulls might potentially see a relief bounce in the near future. A bullish divergence tends to happen when relative strength index is on the rise despite a price drop. Of course, the bullish divergence should be taken with a grain of salt since it has analyzed in combination with other major technical indicators. For now, XRP remains the worst performing token in the top 10 following its 6% plunge on Thursday. Some other major tokens that are in the red: Cardano, ADA, and Dogecoin slipping 5.9 and 5.7% respectively. Bitcoin, leading cryptocurrency by market cap, has now dropped more than 3% after approaching the much level $100,000 level on Christmas. Recently, XRP experienced a short-lived rally following the official launch of Ripple RLUSD stablecoin. However, this was not enough to reignite XRP's momentum. The token is still 36.3% from claiming its record high. That was achieved in early 2018. It came close to reaching a new record peak in December, but fell short. However, there are some bullish catalysts that could potentially reignite the XRP rally in 2025. These catalysts include the SEC's newfound crypto friendliness and the growing XRP ETF buzz. As we take a look down here at the RSI on the daily charts before we drop to the hourly, we can see back on November 16th, we were already in an extremely overbought territory. Typically, the 60 range, anything above 60 is going to be very bullish. Once you start to peak above this 70 range, which we did over here, it starts to get overheated. But the entire crypto market obviously ran that extreme pump to the upside, peaking out on December 2nd with its most recent high for XRP. And that is also the peak of the RSI. We have been in a dropping RSI ever since, and we are currently down 25%. 72 cents from the top. But we are showing strong support here at the 30 exponential moving average. As we talked about with Mudang, what we would like to see is price get back above this 10 exponential moving average on the daily, then surge to the upside. As we can see, last time we had the price dip below it was on the 9th. On the 10th, we popped above it, maintained our bullish move all the way back up to our high here at $2.73 before then having this recent pullback. We do have a W pattern starting to play out here, as we can see, and the W pattern could end up running up significantly higher than the first leg of the W. So once our bullish momentum kicks back in and we start to run this back up to the upside, let's take a look at our 3-day spider line chart. Again, this is coming from the previous all-time high rush up 2017, beginning of 2018. Using the pivot point right here at our previous high from April 13th, $1.97. And when you draw and connect the lines from the all-time high to this pivot point, it gives you these new levels of support and resistance on XRP and other tokens. But as we take a look right now, we have broken below our blue line here, and that blue line originating from January 19th, 2018. As you can see, yesterday we dropped below there. Today on our new candle, we're starting to move our way back up to that upside there. Our next level of resistance is going to come from our green candle. And if we trace back the green candle from its origination was from January 22nd. And then after that, we'll have the pink candle, which is the January 25th. And if we look at these levels, we can see the green one gets us back to $2.38. The pink one gets us back to $2.55. And as we can see on the 1-hour chart here, the RSI has been climbing very steadily to the upside, while price had continued to come to the downside, creating that bullish divergence, now pushing to the upside. This new hourly candle has started off. We have 36 minutes with it, and it is moving nicely. We do also have a very large fair value gap to fill in right here, which gets us back to our blue line at $2.32. If for some reason the bearish momentum kicks back in, then we could see a drop back down to our gold spider line down here at the $1.92 range. And we can see last time that it came down here was back on December 10th, tapped right off it, moved back to the upside. So we'll continue to follow XRP. And if you need more information than just a regular YouTube video here and there, make sure you head over to bullrunners.com. Join the 1,100 plus members we have, 100 plus expert curated classes, live weekly calls, daily market updates, global community. Check this out.
Hey, Bull Runners, check this out. If you want to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, or even 100x altcoin in this video, listen to this. Our research team posted GOAT on the 13th of October of 2024 when it was right at a penny, and since then it rallied to over $1 and is currently still up over 5,000%. That's like turning $1,000 into over $50,000. Our team called Pendle at only a $16 million market cap, or 16 cents, back on February 18th of 2023, all the way back here, and since then it's rallied up over 4,000%. That's a 40x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $40,000. Our team also called BitTensor Tau September 15th 2022, before the token was ever even launched. And since then, Tau has rallied over 2,000%. That's a 20x. Our team even said Solana is most likely to be one of the easiest trades next year, and this was posted December 29th, 2022, on the day that Solana bottomed out at around $8. And since then, Solana looks like it's up over 2,500%. That's a 25x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $25,000. And the bull run is just getting started. The list goes on and on and on. Our team called Sui, Ondo, and even some of the biggest cult-based meme coins like MOG back in July 20th of 2023, the day that MOG launched. So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself, on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University through the link below. And although we make no guarantees because crypto is definitely risky, guys, this is only $97 a month or $970 a year. If you want to save $194, getting 2 months for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses through the link below. But I'm not going to talk all about that in this video because we have a lot to cover. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers, because we have a lot to cover with you over the next few minutes in this video to help you become the first millionaire in your family tree. If that's a goal of yours, our goal is to help 1,000 members set their portfolio up for life this month. And you can get started through the link in the description below right now, or you can go to bullrunners.com to take advantage of the bonuses we're giving you before they expire. We have about 200 members right now, and we literally just launched like less than 5 days ago at the time of making this video. Everyone is loving the community. They're loving the education. They're getting access to real-time altcoin picks first before we ever make videos about them. So click the link in the description below, watch the video, and I'll see you on the inside.